This 4K dashcam sees everything. VIOFO A229 Pro review you weren't ready for. Let's be real, you've probably felt that gut-sinking dread after a close call on the road, right? Maybe your last dashcam let you down when you needed it most, with grainy video, no night clarity, and files mysteriously missing. Or worse, no camera at all, leaving you with zero proof when the chaos hits. We know the feeling. The frustration of unreliable gear, the stress of driving blind, and the wasted hours messing with outdated tech that can't even read a license plate at noon. That's where drivers start losing focus and faith. If you've ever yelled, "Why didn't that record?" this one's for you. Now amplify that chaos. Imagine a hit and run in the dead of night, your old camera blurrier than Bigfoot footage. You're scrambling, insurance is pointing fingers, and there's no footage to clear your name. Deadlines loom, rideshare scores drop, and stress skyrockets. Your calm commute turns into courtroom drama because your tech couldn't keep up. That cheap cam just cost you big. Meanwhile, your buddy with the VIOFO A229 Pro? He's kicking back with crystal clear 4K plus 2K proof in both directions, day or night, even at 80 miles per hour in the rain. Painful? Yep. Avoidable? Also yes. Enter the VIOFO A229 Pro, your road trip bodyguard, ride-or-die co-pilot, and literal eyewitness with dual Sony STARVIS 2 sensors. We're talking front-facing 4K and rear 2K clarity that doesn't blink, even at night. License plates? Nailed. Speeding teens at midnight? Got 'em. With HDR Night Vision 2.0, 12 voice commands, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, and 24/7 parking mode, it's like having a Tesla cam system, without the Tesla price tag. Plus, with no battery, heat-resistant tech, and supercapacitor reliability, this cam is built for survival, not shelf life. Imagine no more guesswork. No more blurry "what just happened" moments. Just buttery-smooth footage, voice-controlled everything, and GPS-locked receipts for every bump, break, or break-in attempt. The A229 Pro simplifies your driving life and amps up your peace of mind. From minivans to muscle cars, it fits, it films, it flexes. Bonus: CPL anti-glare filter? Included. Long rear cable? Yup. Need a longer one? They got it. It's the dashcam upgrade you didn't know you desperately needed. Hit that link and dive into what real protection looks like. Don't wait till you're explaining yourself to a cop or an angry insurance adjuster. Thousands of smart drivers already trust the VIOFO A229 Pro, because when proof matters, this thing delivers. But heads up. Stock runs dry fast, and that 512 GB capable slot doesn't come filled. Grab yours now, while it's hot, trusted, and still available. Your car deserves a witness. Your future self will thank you. Smash that by now, join the No Nonsense Drivers Club, and finally drive like someone's got your back, because now, someone does.